I think I got it now. Good morning, it's April 8th, 9:30 in the morning. They're tearing down the old YMCA. I'm going to take a walk around, see how far they're going. I wish I would have known this yesterday. I would have been down here to see the beginning of it. I'm across the street, get a little bit closer. I think after they built this, I've only ever been in this thing 2 or 3 times ever. I wonder how this way they're gonna have this torn down in a day or two. I don't know what they're gonna do with the park when it's done. It used to be the old Washington Park back in the day. More prepared for this. I'm gonna walk all the way around. I don't know if they've started anything in the front yet. Gotta walk carefully here. It's a little muddy. And I can see all the way to the other side. See all the way over to Gaines Street. Well, this is the end of the fence. I don't think they've started on the front yet. I'll walk all the way around. Nope. They're gonna. Looks like they're gonna go from 2nd all the way to up to 3rd. Hurry up and walk around the other side. Sure is an old building. I remember when they first put it up, it was state of the art. I'll have to look up history of it. See if I can post a little bit of the history of it. They got the west side pretty well demolished, working towards the center. Well, I wish I had come down here yesterday or whenever they started. I just saw the news article about it on my phone. I think they mentioned it on the morning news. If I would have known a couple days ahead of time, I would be down here for the beginning of it. There it is. The old YMCA. Remember the original YMCA that I remember was down on 4th and Harrison Street, where the Danforth Police Station is right now. As kids, young kids, that's when only males were allowed in there. And when you went swimming, it was skinny dipping. All the boys and all the men were in there skinny dipping. I remember going in there only once or twice ever, but I do remember that skinny dipping. I thought that was, even at my young age, I thought that was strange. Boy, they're going to town on that. Come back tomorrow. See how well they've progressed on it. That'd be a fun toy to have. There it goes. Can't remember where the swimming pool is in that. A little cold today. I don't know when spring is going to be here. Curious what they're going to do with this space. Remember back in the day, Washington Square, there was I believe there was a fountain in the center, and it crisscrossed from an X from here. This is Western, Second and Western, and it went a line straight to 4th and Harrison. I mean 4th and 3rd and Gaines. And then on the other end down there, on 2nd and Gaines, another straight line to 3rd and Western. Oh, give us a couple more minutes. I'm gonna jump back in my truck. Wish I had been a little bit more prepared for this. I would have had a few notes. Oh, that one looks heavy. Whoa. Oh, I can go back to my truck. Watch it. Oh no, I'll watch a couple more minutes. Whoa, there it goes. I wonder if they tore the wiring out of there, out of those conduits before the demolition. There goes a big piece. Oh, man, that looks like fun. I wish I knew how to operate one of those things.